people ask me questions like, oh my god, you're vegan? What do you eat? Fries, sweet potatoes, leaves, salad? Do you eat that every day? Wait, what? Your husband is not vegan? How do you guys live together? That must be very hard for you. Do you cook his food separately? And this goes on and on and on. What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Anita Matanda. I'm a multi-passionate photographer, videographer, digital content creator, educational technologist, and teacher currently living in South Korea. I am from Ghana and very excited to share my journey with you all. So a little backstory. I turned vegan last year for health reasons, and so far I've had friends and random people I've met along the way ask me how I've been able to sustain this journey for over a year and 7 months. Others have asked for recipes, where I find vegan products, how I read Korean food labels and know whether some products are vegan friendly or not. From what I've gathered on my journey, most people think that going vegan or plant-based in South Korea is an impossible task and are usually not ready to commit to it. I'm guessing maybe it's because of the food culture here or just how some of us might have been programmed from childhood when it comes to food. Almost everything you can find around here has animal products in them, so finding plant-based or vegan options can get frustrating. Even the city I currently live in, Gimpo, doesn't have a vegan restaurant, so I usually bake my bread and cook 90% of everything I eat. I pack my lunch to school and have to drive out of Gimpo to find vegan restaurants when I want to eat out or even go on a date night with my husband. How exciting is that? But tell you what, nothing is impossible under this sun once you put your mind to it. The purpose of this channel is to share my vegan journey with tips on how to survive as an African vegan living in South Korea. I'll teach how to cook some vegan Ghanaian dishes, share recipes, vegan hotspots and restaurants, events and products. I'll go on to tell brand stories by interviewing CEOs about innovative vegan products. I'll bring on some vegan chefs to teach us one or two things and also get more insights into how some vegan restaurant owners started their business. Trust me, living in a country where the language barrier is a challenge can be very daunting. So I'm happy to guide you every step of the way and even get you to try out something new if you're up to it. I want to commend the South Korean government for its effort to promote veganism to fight the climate crisis. I know the future for vegans in Korea will get better. To get more of what I've learned on this journey and other aspects of my life in South Korea, you can check out my page at Hatography for photo and video related content, and Chef Hato if you want more recipes and cooking tips. Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and comment below, and don't forget to share this channel with your friends, loved ones, or anyone you feel might benefit from it. I am open to new ideas and collaborations, so feel free to contact me. Welcome to the official launch of my channel, Anita Hato. Let's get the party started. 여러분, 환영합니다. See you in the next video.